I'm Channa from Our Education. So the question is, why the Plutus IAS the best IAS coaching? Now come to the point. What makes Plutus IAS best and unique IAS coaching among us? Plutus IAS is rank 1 IAS coaching by Our Education Ranking, InstituteRank.com, PulseFace, Eduli, TheHinduZone.com, Sulekha, and Just Dial. Not only this, Plutus IAS is the only IAS coaching with more than 50% success ratio. Plutus IAS remains open in this time of COVID-19 pandemic, where it is filling the gap by providing live interactive online classes with a good faculties and classroom-based online coachings. Plutus IAS is the best IAS coaching with 20 years of experience in teaching and guiding students for UPSC CSE exam. I hope these tips will really help you. So please like and subscribe my channel for more examination related updates.